Hey ladies, okay, so one trick that I have is to kind of combine a few products to get a little bit more coverage, but if you're in a hurry, this works perfectly, or even if you're not in a hurry but you want something super simple but effective, all right? So I'm actually going to combine BB cream and concealer on the back of my hand, just like this. Okay, so I am the color Honey in my BB cream, and then I'm using Organza concealer, just because that's what I have and I use for under my eyes to brighten it. With the Honey, it's not going to make any difference at all when I use a slightly lighter, okay? But I could, if you are a little bit darker than I am, you'd want to go with taffeta concealer mixed in with your BB cream. Okay, are you ready? We're going to get started. We're just going to throw it all over our entire face like this. Okay, the thing about the BB cream is that I'm going to pull it right up under my eye, okay? Trying to do something real quicker here. See the difference already that it's made from that side to that side? So if you want just an all over coverage, this is a nice way to do it. Okay, you can mix it on the back of your hand. It just literally rubs in all over like a tinted moisturizer, okay? And because I added that extra concealer in there, it's going to give a little bit more coverage. All right, that's what I like it for. Even on the top of my eyelid, look at the difference it made. Okay, and you can literally take it and put it right underneath your eye like this, and it just saves a little bit of time. This is one of my little hacks that I have when I'm running behind, or if I'm heading to the grocery store, or not really going to too many places, or I've done it before when I was heading to work as a nurse as well, really early in the morning. You wake up late or whatever, for whatever reason, and it just gives you an all over good moisture, good coverage. Look at that already, you guys. Big difference, right? Okay, so you just blend it. Make sure you blend it along your neckline. We never want to have any lines there either, but the fact that it blends in right away, and I even have some left over on my hand, so I could take a little bit more and just run it right under here if I chose to. I'm just going to get rid of those dark circles a little bit anyway, and we're good to go. All right, so yesterday you guys saw me use the bronzer as kind of like a blush and bronzer. All right, today I'm just gonna throw on a nice pinky, just to pink up these cheeks a little bit here. We're just gonna throw on a little bit of blush, and this is the color Serene, okay? So this is almost like getting a luminizer and a blush combined. Has a little bit of an iridescent shimmer, and it's one of my favorites, and I'm actually going to dust a little bit on my forehead, okay? Can't really see the pink there, but it's gonna help define it. Just gonna add a little bit more here and there. Can even just run a tiny little bit on the end of your nose. It's gonna make that create that iridescent look from the sheen that's in there. Isn't that awesome, you guys? Look at the coverage I have. Okay, you know that I have brown spots up here. I have different moles and everything, and it just makes my face look so much more even. It's amazing. Okay, ready? Cream shadow. This is the color Mysterious. It's metallic and it's still available, which is crazy. It was only up for the month of December, but they brought it back for January. Okay, so I know this is going to look darker at the beginning, but you literally just put it all over your whole eyelid like this. And we're just going to blend that out. There's a ton of colors to choose from, but I'm going to show you how much this actually blends with the blending brush. You're just going to take it and run it right along there, just like that. Now for today's look, I'm not going to do my eyebrows, okay? Because I feel like it's a subjective thing. Not everyone does it. It's totally personal, and it's your choice whether you want to do it or not. See the difference of blended versus not blended? It's pretty amazing, right? Pretty neat. Okay, so I'm not going to do my eyebrows. Again, we're trying to do this in less than 10 minutes kind of a thing. So if you are someone who does your eyebrows, by all means, you can watch what I did yesterday or stay tuned for other videos, because I personally like to do my eyebrows, but I realize that there's other people who don't. So I would just give them a quick little comb like that and be good to go. I still have some of this BB cream in here, so you can run a little bit more under here if you want. See, check out that coverage, you guys. You guys know how much my dark circles plague me, I swear. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more under there, clean that up. Look at that. Crazy, right? Okay, Bonbon. I'm putting my mascara on last so you guys can kind of see how this all comes together. This is the Bonbon in Red Velvet. So it's a very light, well, basically it's a tinted lip moisturizer. So we're going for the extra moisture today. We got the BB cream. We have the cream shadow, which is a cream, and I added the pink. And this is a nice soft hue. Okay, gotta find my blush, and we're ready for Epic, okay? What do you guys think? Hopefully you're having an amazing day already, and I just wanted to, yeah, show you guys that makeup does not have to be complicated. You can literally, this cream shadow, you guys, that I put on, you just need a cream shadow brush and a blending brush to blend it out, and you are good to go. Seriously, any color, you can put on your whole eyelid like that and head out the door. It does not have to be complicated. You don't have to add more to it. All right, and same goes with the Epic. In my video yesterday, I showed you guys how you don't have to add multiple layers. You don't have to keep going. If you're in a hurry, this is just a nice light layer. And look at what it does to your lashes anyway. It's amazing, this stuff. All right, you can keep going back and forth till you get the desired curl and length that you have. But again, if you're short on time or you don't feel like fussing with it, spending much time on it, then you don't have to. It nicely separates all my lashes. This mascara should not be chunky, okay? Now, we're just gonna add a little bit under here, like this. You're good to go. So this, I wanted to add a little bit of a pop of color on my lips, just like a soft pinky, to show you guys that you can add and play with different colors. It doesn't have to be all these bright, bold tones either. It can be like a bonbon that's just a nice lip moisturizer, or in your eyes like the cream shadow with this splurge cream shadow in the color Mysterious, okay? So I'm just gonna finish off doing my bottom lash line just like this. And like I said, you don't have to do your eyebrows. It's your choice. To save time, obviously you don't have to. If you want to do them, you can do it with the liner or a powder, whatever you choose to do. Personally, I would make time to do my eyebrows because for me, that's what's super important. But again, it's up to you guys, okay? So that is, again, just a quick run through. I have full coverage. I have a nice easy blush on just to add a little bit of a pop. You can blend it with your hands or your blending bud, whatever you choose to do, okay? Nice cream shadow like this all over my eyelid and blend it out. Mascara. I mean, who doesn't love mascara? And you know what? I still have 2 more minutes left under my 10-minute mark. I think I did pretty good. So I would put on my eyebrows and head out the door is what I would do, okay? Anyway, thanks, ladies. If you guys have any questions whatsoever about anything that I used or a combination, by all means, pop me a message, comment below, and I'd be happy to help you, okay? Stay tuned for more goodness. We'll see you later.